So what is voice? Voice is a sentence. So voice is a sentence. So voice is divided into two parts. Who can say? There are two kinds of a voice. One is
active voice,
another is
passive voice.
yes. One is active voice, another is
Passive voice.
passive voice. So what is active and what is passive voice? So before knowing that, we have to know the transitive verb, because every active voice has a transitive verb. What is a transitive verb? Lipsa? What is a transitive verb? The verb which has object. Yes, which has object. Give me one sentence. The sentence with verb, with transitive verb, because without object we can change into passive. So my mother cook or cooks? Cooks in present tense. Cooks food. So verb is cooks. How do you know this one is your object food? How do you know? You ask the question by passing the verb through subject to object. What does your mother cook? Yes?
Yes,
What? Food. Your answer is food. So it is object. So tell me now, the cook is a transitive verb or intransitive verb? Transitive verb, because the verb has object. Yes, the verb has object. Come. So verb has object. So my mother cooks nicely. Find out the verb. Here verb is
Cooks.
Cooks. Why it is yes? Because the sentence is present tense, simple present. Verb needs yes. Why? Your subject is third person singular number. So subject is third person singular number. This is the simple present. But our question is the verb transitive or intransitive? I told by asking what or using the question word what or whom, if you get the answer, that is your object. Ask what does your mother cook or how does your mother cook? How? Question is how?
Yes, yes.
So it is adverb, not object. Understood?
Yes.
So this is transitive or intransitive?
Intransitive.
Intransitive verb. Understood? So what is active voice? So you come to know the active voice has transitive verb. Transitive verb. And what is active voice? See here, this verb has object. So what is active voice? How do you know this sentence is active voice? Action is done by the agent directly. Your mother cooks food. The action is done by the agent directly. So how do we change into passive voice? First object will come first. Then you find out the tense. First you find out the verb. Verb is our cook. Then object is food. Then tense. What is tense? Tense is present tense. Then form. What is form? Simple present. So then in simple present case, when you change into passive voice, the object will come first. Then be verb. And you remember, in every sentence of passive voice, your main verb must be changed into verb 3. Means past participle form of a verb. Then object, then be verb, then past participle or verb form of the verb 3 form, then by, then subject. Understood? So change now.
The food.
Food. For the food, what will be the be verb in present tense? What are the be verbs? Is, am, are. In passive past tense, was, were. So though it is the present tense, what will be the verb for food?
And food
Is. Very good. Is. Then verb 3.
cooked.
Cooked. Food is cooked. Then by
My mother.
my
Mother.
mother. This is the passive voice of simple present tense. Tell me another sentence. The teacher teach English. So who can say? Find out the object. Which word is object here? English. English is the, thank you, very good. Object. Verb?
Teachers.
Teach. Teach is your verb. Subject? Teacher. So action is done by the agent directly. Is it active voice or passive voice? Active voice. So this is the active voice. How do you know the active voice? When the action is done by the agent directly, that is active voice. So change into passive voice. What will be?
The English.
The English or English? English. English. For the English, what will be the be verb? Is. So the verb is teach here. So what will be the verb here in the passive voice? Verb 3. Verb 3. Past participle form of the verb. Teach, taught, taught. Spell taught.
T-O-U-G-H-T.
T-A-U-G-H-T. Taught. English is taught by the teacher. Tell me one sentence using simple present form.
He plays football.
He, very nice. He
Plays
football. He plays football. So what is the object here?
Football.
Football. So what is the tense here?
Present tense.
Which form?
Simple present.
Simple present. Verb is play. Subject is he. What will be the passive voice?
Football is played by him.
Very nice. Understood. Football is played by him. Understood? The action is done by the agent indirectly here. So it is the passive voice. What is active voice? The action is done by the agent directly. What will be the main verb in the passive voice? What will be the main verb in passive voice? Verb 3. Who can say there is no passive voice of which form? Present, perfect, progressive, past, perfect, progressive, future,
Perfect progressive.
and future progressive. There is no passive voice of these 4 forms because when we change into passive voice, we will face some grammatical mistake or error. So understood this much? This is the simple present form of a passive voice. So if you have any doubt, you come to next class. Then we will go through the how to change the simple past form. Then simple future. Then present progressive, past progressive. Is there any passive form of a future progressive? No, I told na. Thank you. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.